We got the brass kisses going down range today. So all right, so I got my Glock, Timony trigger, Ramjet, L2B slide, RMR HD, phenomenal gun. We're gonna compare it to the XP Pro from Fusion Firearms. I've been using it for a little bit. It worked out the kinks on me, but I still think my Glock shoots better. But we'll see right now. Dude, this gun shoots amazing. Set up in Naples at what, a shooting range up there?
No, so I'm actually in the industrial park down there, but I do work with another shooting range. It's called the Big 50 down in Everett. I'm actually there in a couple of weeks.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so Brother Beer, I'm gonna get the special, the Brother Beer special. Got the homemade smoked barbecue pulled pork and a hot dog and coleslaw.
Yeah. You want a regular dog or a quarter pound?
What happened?
You want a regular dog or a quarter pound?
Regular dog, yeah. Man, this thing, I don't even know how I'm gonna eat this, with a fork or just get it all over my beard. We'll see what happens. Let's go. Man, this thing looks good. Wow, like a rip in half. Jesus. Worth every penny. Right, we're gonna go one more time with both of these. Another fucking light primer strike, bro.
There you go.
Ow, bitch! I should have landed on my arm and stayed there. Not bad, man. These are both good. You want to go from the holster?
You can, that's fine.
So you get one side, I get the other.
Okay.
So at the count of three, we go. I gotta knock mine to your side, and you knock yours to my side. Whoever gets them done first wins.
2, 1, go.
Oh, Jesus! Go.
Can't see. I can't hit shit. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here.
We're gonna try the Glock one-handed. Now I don't practice this, so. Yeah, go for it.
You're
Getting it.
This one's easy. I like the I got this one a lot better.
Yeah.
R0 is different than. Let's see where it's hitting.
Okay, I see. Oh, all right. That's
Yo,
not-
but it's flat, right? It shoots
Yeah,
so
it's
flat. Yeah. That thing was worth it. I like it better than this one, to be honest.
lights. Oh, that's
L2 slide, the Trichicon Armor HD, the framework that I did to it, and the ramjet.
You did that?
Yeah, I do
I
all
like
the
it.
framework on my guns.
I
Yeah,
like that. And you added the.
the mag one. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Which Trichicon is that?
The Armor HD.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it just came out. It's the new version of this one.
Badass.
Yeah, it's got a sensor on the front, so it auto adjusts to what you're aiming at, not what you're under.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's.
All right, guys, we're gonna do one mag dump to the body, one mag dump to the head with each gun. And man, I'm still getting used to this freaking vault, bro. This thing is like, you gotta go forward and back, and jeez, it's brand new. I'm still getting used to it. But yeah, we're gonna do one mag dump to the body, one mag dump to the head with both of the guns. Let me get this bad boy out, and we're gonna compare. I'm not gonna be shooting for accuracy. I'm just gonna be pulling this trigger as fast as I can. So let's see how it goes. I mean, it wasn't too bad. I'll zoom in with the phone a little bit. Was that a light primer strike again? But this Monarch arrow sucks, man. Brass Kisses, you gotta send me some more, bro. This shit is trash. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Not bad. So that was not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I've really taken the block. Just a lot more. Look at that, 9 over there. Pretty much mostly in the red. Red. Yeah. All right, for the last one of the day, we're gonna do body, head, whole mag, reload, and just keep doing the same thing. I'm gonna try to shoot as fast as I can while still being accurate. So, put this jacket so it's not blowing up in my face. All right, here we go. Ready? Body. All right, so I'm gonna get the phone out and show you guys what that looks like a little closer. And then that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Check me out on Instagram also, Phil. And if you want to come to this beautiful gun range over here in North Florida, Clay County Adventure Park, the best outdoor range that we have here. And stay tuned for the next one. Appreciate you. So this was my body head. I got a couple head on my neck. Look at that. So body head. What do you guys think? Not too shabby.